students.
Hello.
A very good morning to everyone present over here. So today, which day we are celebrating? As World Environment Day. So it is celebrated on June 5th of every year. Okay. So what is environment? Yes. Environment is nothing but everything that is present around us. Okay. Such as animals, plants, soil, so on. Okay. So environment plays a very important role in our life. Earth is a home where we live, not only for human beings but for other different species. So we all are depend on the environment for food, shelter, air, water. Yes or no? So we should not pollute the environment. We should save our environment and protect the environment. Better environment, better tomorrow. Save the environment. Environment is no one's property to destroy. It's everyone's responsibility to protect. Yes or no? So we should protect the environment. So hold your hands and save the environment. Thank you. So now I will call on the stage RN, Radhesham, Amruni, Ruchi, Chandan on the stage to sing a song.
Planet Earth is a home. Keep it clean, keep it safe. Earth is home for you and me. Planet Earth is a home. Keep it clean, keep it safe. Earth is home for you and me. Clean Earth is a happy Earth. We can keep it clean always. Keep it clean, keep it safe. Earth is home for you and me. Clean Earth is a shiny Earth. We can decorate with the trees. Planet Earth is a home. Keep it clean, keep it safe. Earth is home for you and me. Keep it clean, keep it safe. Earth is home for you and me. Thank you.
Oh, I'm a bird. I can fly, make a nest on tree. It is a best place to make a tree. Thank you. Oh, I'm so hungry. God, please give me something food to eat. Oh, here is a big tree with so many fruits. Oh, thank you, God, for this food. It is so sweet. Thank you. Here are some vegetables to make some tasty food. Springs and make cutting and curry with some fruits. Thank you. Oh, so hot. It is so hot. I need some rest, some shadow to take rest from a tree. It's so hotty. It is so big tree to take rest. I can rest here sometime. Thank you. We can take some wood because we don't have any money to earn. So we'll cut this tree and earn some money. No, ma'am, please don't cut the tree because it is very useful for us. It gives us oxygen, food, vitamin and vegetables, everything. Please save the tree, save the environment. Do not cut the tree. Thank you.
ಮನೆಗೊಂದು ಮರ ಊರಿಗೊಂದು ವನ ಮನೆಗೊಂದು ಮರ ಊರಿಗೊಂದು ವನ ಮನೆಗೊಂದು ಮರ ಊರಿಗೊಂದು ವನ ಮನೆಗೊಂದು ಮರ ಊರಿಗೊಂದು ವನ ಉಳಿಸಿ ಬೆಳೆಸೋಣ ಮನೆಗೊಂದು ಮರ ಊರಿಗೊಂದು ವನ ಕಲಿಸೋಣ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛತೆ ಕಲಿತು ಕಲಿಸೋಣ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛತೆ ಕಲಿತು ಕಲಿಸೋಣ ಮನೆಗೊಂದು ಮರ ಊರಿಗೊಂದು ವನ ಉಳಿಸಿ ಬೆಳೆಸೋಣ ಮನೆಗೊಂದು ಮರ ಊರಿಗೊಂದು ವನ ಉಳಿಸಿ ಬೆಳೆಸೋಣ ಮನೆಗೊಂದು ಮರ ಊರಿಗೊಂದು ವನ ಸೌರಶಕ್ತಿಯ ಯಂತ್ರವ ಬಳಸಿ ಇಂಧನ ಇತಿಮಿತಿಗೊಳಿಸಿ ಹನಿ ನೀರ ಕುಡಿಸಿ ಉಳಿಸಿ ನೆಲ ಜಲ ಶುಚಿಯಾಗಿಸಿ ನೆಲ ಜಲ ಶುಚಿಯಾಗಿಸಿ ನೆಲ ಜಲ ಶುಚಿಯಾಗಿಸಿ ಮನೆಗೊಂದು ಮರ ಊರಿಗೊಂದು ವನ ಮನೆಗೊಂದು ಮರ ಊರಿಗೊಂದು ವನ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಒಳಿತಿಗೆ ಬಾಳುವ ಪರಿಸರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಪಣ ತೊಡ